Did you know a defeated navy sank itself rather than let the enemy touch it? The First World War ended in November 1918, but for the German High Seas Fleet, the humiliation dragged on. 74 warships were escorted to Scapa Flow, a British naval base in Scotland, and left there to wait while politicians argued over their fate in Paris. Admiral Ludwig von Reuter watched. He read the newspapers. He could see the Allies were planning to divide his fleet among themselves as a war prize. He decided they never would. On June 21, 1919, he passed a secret order through his ships. Sailors opened seacocks, flooded engine rooms, and smashed valves. In a matter of hours, 52 warships slipped beneath the water. British guards opened fire trying to stop them. 9 German sailors were killed that day, months after the war had ended, in a harbour by the side they had surrendered to. The last men to die in the First World War died watching their own fleet disappear on purpose. Von Reuter called it his duty. Technically, he was right.